James is a great student. Listen closely to this man, because you have a jewel on your hands. I get to meet all kind of people around the United States and Canada, and of all the folks out there that sponsored these seminars, none compares with this man, so pay close attention, okay?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and if you think it was helpful, share it with a friend. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe down below and click the bell icon so you can be notified when we release new videos. And we are releasing new content all the time. Don't miss it. Thanks for stopping by.